Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we had a pretty strong break above 108.948, and just onwards and upwards. We started rejecting it and then burst through with aggression. So that is one of my levels. I was going to put the other two in that I would be interested in today, and this one could be a little bit higher. So the other levels are 109.668 and 109.340. So we are kind of top. You can see that was a previous swing high, and so we're kind of testing that area. So I don't expect us just to shoot through. I expect a pullback onto structure before moving. Now, last day of the week, and look at our weekly bar crossing over all the moving averages here. So we close above the 150 EMA. I still expect us to pull back and come and test this zone. Just look left and you can see there's been a lot of interaction here, so don't expect it just to fly through. I would expect it to sort of range, drop down a bit, and muck around here a bit before get going. So let's just get to the 3 hour, and that is your cue to hit that like button for us. Call it the 3 hour like, and have a look here. We've got a sort of a three hanging men at the moment on price action, and you can see oscillators grip the upside. I wouldn't want to be chasing longs at this area. Okay, we did get an opportunity to get in yesterday. I was sitting on the sides with this one, but there was an opportunity. I'll show you now. But for me, we need to pull back onto one of these levels, and let's just get down to the hour, because that's going to be a little bit easier to see. So 109.340 is a great area. It's quite a deep pullback as well, but look at the price action here. Strong move up, looks like a flag building here. So there's your flag. If you just draw a line along the top and the bottom, you'll see your flag. So here's your flagpole, flag, boom. So what's the logical thing is a break to the upside. So get down to the 15 minute, and you're going to see very little structure. So let's just treat this level here as bottom of range. That's 109.668. First level I'd be paying attention to is definitely that. Pull back onto that, build a base. We're looking to break to the upside. The other option here is basically a break and retest of 109.990. But you're probably going to bounce off 110, although we have hit 110. Yeah, we have hit 110. So this is kind of move up, pull back, build a base, and then you're looking for a continuation to the upside. And that continuation is going to be this move up. I was going to do it like that. So next target is 110.500 or 110.545. That's kind of my view for today. Okay, so either to pull back to one of these levels, add to the downside, 109.668, 109.340. Pull back all the way down here is going to be a little bit scary. I don't think I want to take that, because that would erase most of yesterday's gains. Alternatively, we're looking for a break of 109.990, retest, and then we're looking for 110.545 as our target. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.